Hey guys, today I'm in Trondheim and I will make a photo series here, and I'm going to the famous bridge and I know some of the things. So let's start with the first picture, and the city is like this. So I will click one portrait. So here guys, we will make the first photo of nice November. So can you place your hands in the pocket please? And I want to try one with the vertical movement. I will click one photo. Can you come a bit here because the eye come move yeah. So we got these two pictures, and when I will edit you will like it. Okay, so we will move forward. So guys, we have this church here, so we have our kind of second picture I will try. And but look at here, this view is also nice. So first I want to click the church, and then second I want to click this pictures here. So I think I like this church picture, and the second picture is this, but I want to click one also this side. Let's see. I think for this one I need a subject. That's very important because there's not. So November is helping me. Can you go there, please? Yeah, come here, come here. Yeah. So I will click one or two picture with her. So November 1, we will click like you are looking there and trying to walk like this. Yeah. A bit more forward you will go for this, and one like you are looking in the camera, and then we will have really nice. So let me set up the camera and then we can do it. Okay. So the first picture with November
Like this?
moment I will. We will have a nice one. Moment it's very down. Yeah. So you go a bit forward. More. A bit this side. So no. Yeah. Then a bit now my side. No, other. Your leg also. Yeah. Wait a moment. And yes. Look here. Last. So I click vertical this time, but I like the view. Whenever you have like object or background like this, sorry. So whenever you have background like this, it's very nice for the image. We will go for the next one. I want to see what is there. I found this place. It's very nice. Oh, with the train, I want to click very fast. So because of this I have like kind of tripod, so I can set up easily however I want. So yeah, I got a nice picture here. So guys, I am here in a very beautiful place with this autumn feel, like they are like still in Trondheim, and November is helping us again. So I will click. This is really nice, but I want to click one very soon. And one more. Oh, this is so nice. Look.
Oh.
So we got a really nice picture of this autumn feeling. Yeah, so we will move forward. Our final destination is the bridge, and let's see. Guys, this is our next picture. This is a very big church with the gravestones and a very old culture. So I will try one picture here. Wow, it looks very mythic. I will see. Wow, so we have like vertical, we have horizontal picture, and it's very mythic and very old. I think it's so nice. So we can go forward. So guys, we have one more picture with still we are with the nice church, and Dolly is helping us with this idea, and Dolly came up with this idea with these leaves what she picked up from the graveyard. And now she's a bit scared of the ghost.
I'm not scared of the ghost.
You are.
They are so
Okay.
creepy.
The ghost. Okay, go. We will have a portrait with she's like having the leaf half in the face, and behind is this. Is our background.
Oh
So,
my god.
are you ready, Dolly?
Of course.
Okay.
There are zombies inside for
Yeah,
sure.
zombie.
Wait.
Oh, I have really nice portrait.
Oh, cool.
So we got a really nice portrait. November, you also want the same?
Yeah, of course.
Camera shifted. Can you come a bit front and this side?
Don't step on the zombies.
Yeah. Can you? This is the same leaf.
No.
It's a very big.
I have a leaf.
But I want that. Covered my face.
This.
Like
So we got one more frame. We will go move forward because we are going to the bridge. Guys, we are finally in the bridge. Like it's very famous, and last time I also clicked some pictures. And this bridge is really nice with the water, and then you can see. And I want to click some pictures, so let's try. First of all, this is very nice. And I want to click one complete full. This is so nice. And the last but not least from this bridge, I want to click a panorama, so we can try it. Always for panorama I click one picture of my hand, and then after when I finish I click one more picture, so I know like in between these two hand pictures I have my pictures for panorama and I can edit. So let's try. Then 30% from last, then 30% from last, and then 30% from last, and then so this is like pictures. Like I now when I will edit, I will have like two hands I can see, and in between whatever pictures I have, these pictures are for my panorama, and then I can edit in Photoshop. Very easy tips, you know, like very easy trick. And this looks so nice. And then we will go some different angles also, and then we will click some pictures.
Okay.
So guys, we are already in the city and we clicked the pictures in the bridge, and now I want to show you something that is only one in the whole world. So it's very famous in Trondheim because they are the only one. So this is called bike lift. So bike lift is only one in the whole world that is in Trondheim. So what you do, like this here is a pedal. So you first come here, you press this button. When you press the button, the machine start working. Then this something comes here. You place the leg here and you have the bicycle, and then you go directly.
Nice.
It's very high, and it's completely free, but it's closed for winter. It's written here closed for winter, but it's like. So guys, we are like another place from the bridge, and this city is very beautiful with the cars. Oh, this is really nice. So we have one more frame from this city, I think when we have like sunny weather, it will be more nicer. But I can try one with my mobile handy. Let's see how it looks. One vertical, and I will try one horizontal also. Then I can, if I edit. I was really hoping for the nice sunny weather, but whatever we have, at least we are in Norway and in the good place. So, and one more place is left here. I saw this place already, so we will see that place, and then yeah, I think this is pretty much it. So guys, we have one more frame now with November. So I think this looks nice. I have really nice frames here with this. I really wanted to do this, and we have really nice frames. Now we can go inside to drink our coffee. Guys, this is our final destination. Look at this bridge. They made this bridge for this view, and I want to click one picture from this bridge. So this bridge is like half in the water, and that's so nice. Like I've been here a couple of times and I knew this place, and I want to go inside and I want to click this picture. So we can go. This place was, the view is so nice. I want to click on picture. Wow, I love this frame, guys. Let's try also vertical. Crazy. And now one more vertical. So I got some pictures here, guys, already. So this was our trip for Trondheim, and we will see us in the next video very soon. Keep traveling and keep enjoying.